So that's why she's very rich, and because she's very rich, she has a mega BHK or mega bedroom hall kitchen apartment. So MBHK. But where is this MBHK is? Hello everyone, today we will try to memorize the sites of Paleolithic, Mesolithic and Neolithic age through a trick or mnemonics you can say, okay? We will also try to memorize the locations of megalith culture as well, okay? You do not have to get bombarded with how we are going to memorize each and every locations that are majorly important. I will let you know one by one, we will fragment into pieces and then we will try to memorize, and I'll teach you in such a way that you will be able to retain this information no matter what, okay? Starting with Paleolithic culture, okay, or Paleolithic age, you just have to memorize a mnemonics called SSB Ka. SSB is an examination, you all know that, okay? But Ka, SSB का एग्ज़ाम जो है वो बहुत सारे लोग देते हैं. There are many aspirants for SSB as there are for UPSC and state services and other such examinations, right? So that is how we are going to remember the locations of Paleolithic age. But how you will relate to it? See, जब पैलियोलिथिक एज होती थी तो लोग एसएसबी का एग्जाम देते थे. इस तरीके से एक फिक्शिशियस इन्फॉर्मेशन आपने क्रिएट की है और उससे हम अपने कंक्लूजन पर पहुंचेंगे. अब पैलियोलिथिक के टाइम पर ज़्यादा डेवलपमेंट नहीं हुआ था तो लोग एसएसबी का एग्जाम देते थे. इस तरीके से आपको एक मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन ब्रेन को देनी है, बट ये एक्चुअल इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं है. यू नो व्हाट आई मीन, ओके? तो एसएसबी में एस फॉर योर सोन वैली एंड पोटवार प्लेटू. सोन वैली एंड पोटवार प्लेटू को आप हमेशा एक ही लोकेशन मानकर चलेंगे. आप हमेशा ये मानकर चलेंगे कि ये दोनों एक ही एरिया में आते हैं, क्योंकि ये नॉर्थ वेस्ट में आता है गाइज. यू कैन गूगल फॉर द geographical location of Son Valley and Potwar Plateau. You will find them to be adjacent to each other, okay? So S for Son Valley and Potwar Plateau, okay? And the next S is for Shivalik Hills, that is in northern part of India, okay? So S and S has been covered. Now comes B. B for Banavli. Banavli is a location that is very important from the perspective of Paleolithic age, okay? K for Kulnur in Andhra Pradesh, and A for Adamgarh, and then A for Atirampakkam in Tamil Nadu, okay? So these are the locations. Adamgarh in Narmada Valley in Madhya Pradesh, okay? So these are the locations that are the Paleolithic sites or are important from the perspective of Paleolithic age, okay? So Paleolithic has been covered. Now let's talk about Mesolithic. In Mesolithic age, you just have to personify the mnemonic, okay? You just have to imagine a guy whose name is Larub, okay? Larub. Larub. Larub is a guy, but his height is short, okay? Or his height is of middle category, okay? You can just imagine a guy whose height is just average, or you can say that he is of middle height. So by that statement you will be able to remember. Now Larub is a guy of middle height, then middle means Mesolithic or middle age, right? Middle stone age, right? So L for Langraj in Larub. When we break Larub into pieces, L for Langraj in Gujarat, A for Adamgarh. Adamgarh is common in both Paleolithic and Mesolithic age, okay? So Adamgarh in Narmada Valley, okay? So L for Langraj in Gujarat, A for Adamgarh in Narmada Valley, R for Rajasthan, U for Uttar Pradesh, B for Bihar. So Mesolithic age has been covered. Paleolithic age also has been covered, and now Mesolithic is also covered. Now comes the Neolithic age. The tricks for Paleolithic, Mesolithic and megalithic burials are quite easy to understand and remain and retain the information related to it. But when it comes to Neolithic age, you have to be very mindful when you are applying this trick, because you just do not have to ratamaro it. You have to actually understand what I'm trying to say and then sink into your brain, okay? I will tell you how. See, in Neolithic, you have many sites. First, I will tell you the names of those sites, and then I will tell you the trick so that it gets easier for you to remember. Talking about Neolithic age locations or sites, you have 3 locations in northern part of India, and then you have 6 locations in southern part of India or the Deccan region. The northern part of India you can remember by the acronym called KBC. K for Kashmir Valley, B for Belan Valley, C for Chirand in Bihar, okay? Belan Valley is in Uttar Pradesh. Northern area is covered. Now coming to South India or Deccan area, you can remember the locations of Neolithic age by a story. I will tell you the story. There is a person called Amrapali. Amrapali lives in Tamil Nadu, okay? But she goes to Andhra Pradesh. Where in Andhra Pradesh? In Utnur. Why? Because there she goes to a parlor, because there is a very renowned parlor. Utnur, Noor basically means beauty, okay? So she's very beauty enthusiast and she does invest very much into new cosmetics and products and stuff like that, okay? So she goes to Andhra Pradesh from Tamil Nadu to get her glow, basically. Glow in Hindi is Noor or Urdu is Noor. So basically Amrapali. By Amrapali, you have to remember what? Payampali. Okay. So Amrapali, why? Because Amrapali is something that you can remember. It's very catchy. So Amrapali goes to Andhra Pradesh. Why? To get Noor. So this is Payampali in Tamil Nadu. So from Tamil Nadu, she goes to Andhra Pradesh. Who? Payampali or Amrapali goes to Andhra Pradesh to get her Noor, that is Utnur. So by this you will remember Amrapali, that is Payampali, and Utnur. Payampali is in Tamil Nadu, Utnur in Andhra Pradesh. And when it comes to the rest of the location of Deccan region, how will you remember? See, this Amrapali or Payampali, she has two names. One is Amrapali and another is Payampali. Amrapali is just for us so that we can remember, we can relate ki there is a story and we must have heard about Amrapali. That's why I have taken the name Amrapali. And how will you remember the locations of Karnataka? Maski, Brahmagiri, Hallur, Kodekal. You will remember it by remembering this, that Amrapali is pretty rich. That's why she's going from all over across from Tamil Nadu to Andhra Pradesh to get her beauty treatments done, right? So that's why she's very rich, and because she's very rich, she has a mega BHK or mega bedroom hall kitchen apartment. So MBHK. But where is this MBHK? Is the B for Brahmagiri, H for Hallur, and K for Udekal. So by this you will remember the locations of all the 6 locations of Neolithic age. Okay, so that's how we have covered Paleolithic age, Mesolithic age, Neolithic age. Talking about megalith burials or megalithic age or megalithic culture, you will have to remember 4 locations. Which are those 4 locations? See, those 4 locations are Hallur, Maski, Nagarjunakonda, Adichanallur. Nagarjunakonda in Andhra Pradesh and Adichanallur in Tamil Nadu. See, Hallur and Maski are getting repeated here in megalithic culture, but you do not have to get confused. That's why you have to keep every age separate and you have to remember the locations separately. So do not get confused and do not intermix all the locations. Okay, for Paleolithic age we had the trick called SSBK, and for Mesolithic age we had the trick called Larub, and for Neolithic we had the KBC and the whole Amrapali story, that Amrapali goes from Tamil Nadu to Andhra Pradesh to get her Noor, that is Utnur, and she has a mega BHK apartment in Karnataka. Okay, and the next, that is megalithic burial, is that megalithic burial locations हैं आपकी Hallur, Maski, Nagarjunakonda and Adichanallur. How will you remember this information? You just have to remember that Maski feeds halwa to a Nag, or Nag means snake. Why? Because in our culture, Nag or any snake, you know, when you have any little even idea about Mahadev or Shivji, then you must be knowing that he wears this Nag around his neck. So because Nag is considered very dear and near to Mahadev, that's why we feed milk to Nag. So that's why Maski feeds halwa to Nag. Why? Because she is a devotee of Adidev or Mahadev. Okay, by that you can remember that. So Maski means Maski, that is a location in Karnataka for megalith burial, and then H for halwa. Halwa means Hallur. Okay, and Nag se aapka matlab hai Nagarjunakonda in the Andhra Pradesh, and A for Adichanallur in Tamil Nadu. So these are the locations of megalithic burials. So you will remember these locations pretty easy. It's not that difficult. It's not a rocket science. You will repeat this whole acronym in your head, then you'll be able to retain this information pretty easy at your fingertips. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you found this lesson helpful. Thank you.